Hello everybody and welcome back, We're continuing our look at the 2009 Cayley contest with question number 12 right there in the middle. In the table shown, a sequence starts with 2 in the top left corner. Moving across each row, each box is filled with a number 3 greater than the number to its left. The leftmost number in each row is 3 greater than the greatest in the previous row. So we're just counting by 3s. And when all of the boxes are filled in, the value of x is just in the very bottom row. Okay. So, well, what could we do? So x is the bottom box. One thing we could do is say, well, how are things changing from row to row? We could even fill in a bit more if we wanted to be more comfortable with the numbers and the values. 47 plus 3 is 50. And then we get 53. Now, I wouldn't focus on filling the whole thing in. I mean, you can, it's not that big of a box, but we try and avoid those sorts of things. It just wastes a little bit of time. Let's look for patterns. We're going up by 3 each time, but we've got the same number in each row, so I might ask, well, how did we go from 17 to 35? And I think that's the real key. Because x lies at the bottom, and we've got 17, and then we go to 35. Then after that, we go to 53. And I think we have 3 more. 2 more. 2 more. So we get 35, 53. What would be the next one? And the next one, and then finally x. That's the challenge. Well, since we're going up by 3 each box, we're really going up by the same amount, whether or not you look at things like, rows. So I still, from 17, I go up by 3 so many times. How many times? I think 6 times. Yeah, 6 times. 35 minus 17 is 18. I go up 18 each row. We can check this out. What's 53? Well, it's 18 added to 35. So the next number, which I don't have to work out by counting along, I can just say, well, 53 plus 18 is going to be end in a 1, carry a 1, 71. And so we can fill in 71 here. 71 plus 18 is going to be 89. So we fill that in. And finally, 89 plus 18, end in a 7, carry a 1, and it's going to be 107. There we go. So 107 is C, and that's going to be our answer. Simple as that. All right, up next will be question number 13.